So please don't come for me in the comments, but I'm not a humongous Harry Potter fan, but that doesn't mean to say that plenty of you aren't massive Harry Potter fans, because I'm pretty sure that there are quite a few of you out there. So your girl has one of Sophie and Toffee's Harry Potter boxes right here, and we need to get into it. Ow, that really hurt my finger. Question of the day: Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, or Gryffindor? Which house are you? Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and we need to talk about this whole Harry Potter thing. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm sorry that it is so late, but as you know, October was busy, okay? Really busy for crafts, my God. Do you know I pumped out 14 videos in October? 14? Girl, it's a lot. So anyway, I have the Harry Potter box from Sophie and Toffee. They actually released 2 boxes. One of them had the, it was a bookend project that was from the 9 3/4 platform. It was really cute. And the second one was the box that had the invitation letter and the ticket. And that's the one that I went for because I just felt like I could get on with that one better. So let's take a little peek inside. I have already had a peek inside because I just wanted to make sure that, you know, I knew what I was talking about. So let's have a little discussion. By the way, if you are looking to get involved with Sophie and Toffee, make sure that you definitely check out my discount code in the description box below, because I like to help you guys save yourself a pretty penny when you decide to shop with Sophie and Toffee. And in all fairness, for this box, girl, you're gonna need it. Okay, that's all I'm saying. You're gonna need it. So this box, the outside is absolutely stunning. I have to give props where it's due. I love that it's done in the style of the little suitcase. I think that the design is beautiful on the front. I love the kind of like aged look. I love that the Harry Potter is written in bright gold. It just looks really nice. And I think that if you are a massive Harry Potter fan, that this is something that you would want to treasure. I really do think it's lovely, really well designed. Upon opening the box, we have a little pamphlet. I was expecting more of a booklet, but you get a little pamphlet that just shows you the stuff that you get inside. There aren't really any instructions in there though. So that's something that I was a little bit like, well, we should have instructions for this because this is quite a complicated little thing. Also, let me just show you guys the inside of it as well. Really nice designs in there. Again, perfect for a massive Harry Potter fan. Now, we have lots of molds in here, and we also have lots of pigments, but that is it. You don't get resin in this box, so do bear that in mind if you want to get it. You do have to have your own resin. Personally, I'm not the happiest with that, I have to say right off the bat, because there's a lot to do in this box. But I think if you're not somebody who, like me, has just a plethora of arts and craft supplies, you know, you're not gonna have lots of resin at home. Just realized one of my drawers is just like sticking out. Hold on. 2 of my drawers were sticking out. There we go, sorted. But yeah, you're not gonna have lots and lots of resin. So I do feel that they should have definitely, especially for the price, I do feel that they should have included some resin in there so that you can actually complete the project. So the first mold we're going to talk about is the adorable little Hagrid mold. It's such a cute little owl. I do like the details in this. You can really see the sort of like ruffles and the feathers in this one. I mean, the molds are of fantastic quality, and you know, so I'm guessing that that's why this box is more on the expensive side. Yeah, I really am impressed with that. Would have liked it to have been a little bit bigger maybe, because you know me, bigger is always better. But nevertheless, it is still absolutely adorable. Next, we have the little invitation mold. Now you actually get 2 of these. So one you get, which is a larger size, and the other one is a pendant size. So if you wanted to just make like a cute little necklace version. Oh, hello. Turn that down. If you wanted to just make yourself, you know, like a cute little invitation, but as a necklace, then you have the right mold for that. Me personally, if I was making a necklace, you know me, I want it to be a big ass necklace, but this is still very, very cute. Again, really nice detail, even down to the little like wax seals. They have 4 little wax seals here that you can do. And I just think it's super, super cute. Now this is the big mama version, okay? This one is much bigger, much bigger, but I really like the crest that they have here at the top, the Hogwarts crest. Again, details, there's so many details that they put in these molds. I just think that it's a really nice touch. And yep, the quality of it, as usual, always really, really good, nice and thick. And I really like the fact that this can actually open once you've made it. It's something that you can open up, you know, maybe slip a little letter inside if you can fold it, if you can fold it thin enough, slip a little letter on the inside. And I think that's why I went for this one, because I thought I could use it to, like, you know, give little cute little gifts to friends, you know? I just feel that because I'm not the biggest Harry Potter fan, I can make something with this that's not necessarily Harry Potter themed. Do you know what I'm saying? If I wanted to make something for myself. I do have friends who are very much into Harry Potter, so don't worry guys, I got you covered. Now the last mold that we got is the train ticket. Now, I just thought that this was really beautiful. I thought it was really nicely detailed. Let me just open it up and show you. Now bear in mind, like, the detail in this is ridiculous. Like, it is next level. I really hope that I'm doing it justice on camera so you guys can see. But I mean, I'm interested to see how well that the resin can pick up all of these details, because my goodness, they are absolutely tiny, 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 tiny. So it's got written on it, for one way, London to Hogwarts. At the moment, I can't even read what that says at the top because it's so tiny. It is so tiny. But all the designs, like, everything is all there. It looks just like the original ticket. It's absolutely adorable. And I think this would make a really nice luggage tag, maybe. That's something that'd be quite cool, something that can go on your suitcase, particularly if you have a Harry Potter themed suitcase. That would be even better. And you've also got some little charms there too. So you've got your little chocolate frog, and you've got a little train, and you've got the little 9 3/4 sign there too. So yeah, there's lots of nice little nods to Harry Potter for you to put inside of the shaker. So we have a diddy little Hogwarts suitcase. These are so tiny and cute. We also have the cute little box for the chocolate frogs. Teeny tiny every colour bean box. It's so cute. And of course we have a miniature invitation letter. 2 of these would have been nice, because then, you know, it could have been earrings. You know what I'm like already. But I think using all 4 of those would make a nice bag charm. That's even something that you can hang off of the ticket shaker, or you could even put them inside of the shaker. That would actually look quite nice. You also get an assortment of jump rings. These are quite large, so as I said, you know, the invitation letter can actually open, and you get a little bit of chain in there as well, so that's quite handy. You get some shaker film, which is brilliant because obviously we need shaker film. I always need shaker film. We also have the design film to go on the inside of the invitation letter. So you've got Harry Potter's address here, and we have 2 of the large and we have 4 of the small. So these would make really nice Christmas presents, because obviously Christmas is now coming up. So it's time for you to start making things. And then you've got the Hogwarts crest down there at the bottom. So again, really nice details. And I love that they paid a lot of attention to the font as well. I think that is a really nice touch. And it's good that they gave you multiples too, because, you know, if you mess up, then at least you can try it again. Lastly, we got 5 beautiful coloured pigments. We got, well, it says this one's brown. This is, to me, this is more of like a kind of sort of terracotta kind of colour. It's not as brown as I would have thought. It's definitely more reddish, this one. We have a very deep blue. And we have a pearl white. We have a copper. This copper is really nice, actually. And then we have a rich gold. You can definitely get a more sort of like antique kind of color with a mixture of the copper and the rich gold. So there you have it, guys. What do you think about this box? Now, as I said, I think that there's a lot of attention to detail with the molds, most definitely. And so, you know, like you can see that that's kind of where the main focus was on making sure that the molds are as realistic as possible and as true to the films as possible. And I completely get that. My gripe is that there is no resin. I think for that, you've got to have some resin in there as well. So, as I said, if you would like to grab yourself this box and you haven't got any resin, you're gonna need to get some. So, thankfully, I have a discount code for you because you might just need it, okay? But on the whole, I think it is a wonderful box if you are a massive Harry Potter fan. I'm gonna do my best to make some pretty things with this. Let me know in the comment section if you are a big Harry Potter fan. And as I said at the beginning of this video, let me know what house you are in as well, because I know that people get really protective over their houses. So feel free to battle it out in the comments, but play nice, okay? This is a lovely community. Be nice. So if you're new here to the Shasha Squad and you are loving the vibe, then make sure that you just subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Take care, my darlings, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.